Hi, this is going to be a quick demonstration on how to use the Hudl to make your highlights. Highlights come in handy when you are a student athlete and you're looking to kind of showcase your talents to potential college recruiters, or just want to have some fun and kind of highlight some of the fun plays that you made throughout the year. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to the highlight section. Click that. It'll bring it to kind of your home screen. Then you simply just go to the Create Highlight button right down here. Okay. And it will ask you for the type of theme you would like. There's their classic. There's your Beast Coast. There's a lot of different options that you have, and obviously you can see there's some advertising included, but we'll keep it simple right here at the classic version. At this point, you're now going to add your highlights. You want to put as it says, put your best clips first. Keep it short, 2 to 3 minutes, and then trim and do some different things at the end. Here we go. We're just going to add some videos. Go right here to the videos. Right now we have 3 seasons worth of videos, so we'll just kind of pick a few. We'll start here. We'll pick one of these. You just kind of pick your highlights. You add the clip to the reel. You do all 3, both at the same time. And we'll go over to this year. We'll add a 20-second clip here. We'll add all of these. See what comes up. And obviously if you were running these, you would want to, they would be more the ones that you selected. The ones that I've selected here are kind of, all different athletes. So at this point, you have selected your videos. There they are. You can see it's about 4 minutes long. So I could probably go through and delete some of the videos that are already out here. So we'll just kind of delete a couple of them. We'll just delete this, move the clip, and then you can see back up here, shorten the clock up by a few seconds. We'll delete this one. Again, brought it down a little bit shorter, and we'll go back here a little bit, and let's say we'll delete that one. Alright, so next step, we want to add some music, and it has some different choices to choose from. And so we'll just select the real MVP. And there's a lot of different ones. These are kind of included, but you can see you could probably go to different ones to choose from. We'll go with the legend. So it added 2 songs. So obviously it doesn't go to the whole thing. So we're going to add one more song just to make sure that it. And we'll go to the rock again. And we'll just go with Renegade. And hope that brings us pretty close. So we could probably, we'll just delete maybe this one, and that should bring us right to the end. If there's any slides, you want to add a title. Highlights 2015 to 2018. Wofford High School. Add that. And then once it's here, I can drag it to a different location. I may want to put this at the very beginning of the highlight. And then maybe somewhere in the middle here, I want to add a second one. Maybe biggest win in program history. 12-11 OT win over St. Joe's. Maybe that will go right here. Again, we try to make it last just about right. And if we had some still photos, we could put some photos in there. I don't know if we have. We'll throw one in there of one of our players. So it would upload the photo right to your slide. And again, just kind of drag it, put it right where you want it to be. Now at that point, you can take a look at it, see what it looks like. And that's the music. Oh, not bad there. We'll give it a highlight again. Practice highlights. So now at this point, we could share it. We just take a look at what it looks like, and then just that. Well, it's going to process. And here we are with the video. We'll show a little bit here. Nicely goes from video to video that you produced. Has the music that plays along the way. Here we are a little bit further into the highlight. Shows one of our bigger plays in program history. Throw in a slide, throw in a picture, and then here comes the video once again. So there's a lot of different things you can do depending on what you're looking to accomplish. Overall, this is a very easy process, and at the end of the day, it's a great thing to have for the kids. And lastly, here you are. You can share your highlights in a few different ways, through Facebook, through Twitter, just having the URL code to put in an email or something like that. So great functions, great options for the kids to really showcase their skills. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'll enjoy making your highlight.